Aaron Cairo sucks at Skate 3. Skate 3 is harder than actual skateboarding. It has been a really long time since I've played Skate 3, so some of you guys, if you're really, really good Skate 3 players, I'm gonna warn you, this is gonna be the cringiest, hardest video to watch ever, because I'm gonna be fumbling around the buttons left, right, and center. So I had this idea that I was gonna pull my raw footage and get how many attempts it took me in real life to land some of these tricks at this skate spot, which on the video game is called 2nd and Navy. In real life, it's called 3rd and Army. And I was gonna recreate some of my tricks from that spot. Let's see how well I do at this. Worried about my ability to play Skate 3 because I'm terrible at it. Okay, although I just did a very clean inward heel flip. First try. Okay, so here's the clip I'm gonna recreate. The first one, kickflip, 5-0, kickflip out, kickflip frontside nose grind. Okay, so the line is kickflip frontside 5-0, kickflip out, kickflip frontside nose grind. I guess we just get started here. Here we go. Let's give it a push. Kickflip. Oh, I missed the kickflip in, and now I gotta do kickflip nose grind. Oof. This is how bad it is. I have to remember how to go to marker. The fact that I know there's a marker means something, doesn't it? Okay, kickflip front 5-0. Wow. I did a front feeble kickflip out on the rail somehow. I was thinking I should start out on the manual, and then I was like, no, it's probably easier on this. And now I'm thinking, dang, I should have started on the manual. Kickflip out. I accidentally did 50. And then kickflip frontside nose grind is the line. Wow. There's no way you could do that in real life because those curves are way steeper than they are in this game. Why are you doing that? Oh, wait, which one is the manual? Wait, how do you manual? I told you guys this is gonna be painful for you. Oh yeah, there we go. No wonder. Okay, I got this. Sorry for that. Also my character, I gotta upgrade my character. This is hurting. Okay, and now let's do the nose grind. Okay, now that I know there's a way where you can like replay. How do you replay it? Oh, I did it. Kickflip frontside nose grind. Dang it. Am I gonna do that every try? Hope not. I can't believe I did that kickflip front 5-0 though, so good. Ooh, again? I am dialed in. Okay, for some reason I thought this was gonna be a lot harder for me. Kickflip, front 5-0, kickflip out. Okay, now kickflip frontside nose grind. Pop out! Frick. Zexy Zek would be so disappointed in me right now. You guys excited for the new skate game? Leave it in the comments below if you're excited for the new skate game. Ooh, that was clean. Okay, kickflip nose grind, let's go. Why? Why does sometimes it just doesn't? I'm getting my pop out skills are getting better though, aren't they? Yes, yes. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, if I did that in real life, I would be more excited than my actual line. Why is Skate 3 harder than real life? Okay, fun fact about this line. I started this line in the day, and I was working on it for so long that when I finally landed it, as you can see, I had lights and a generator. Started in the day, landed it at night with the lights and the generator. Why does sometimes it kickflip, sometimes it doesn't? Come on, Coach Frank, hook me up. Too much this side, varial flip. Varial flip 5-0 kickflip, I'll take that. Kickflip frontside nose grind. Pop out. Oh no! Oh no! I accidentally did it into feeble on the rail. Can you imagine if real life skateboarding was like a video game?
There it is.
Okay, take that. Okay, I think I did it. I think that was it. Instant replay. Kickflip, front 5-0, clean. Kickflip out, I really held it. Kickflip, frontside nose grind. And I did like sort of a grab at the end, right? Okay, the only thing was I kind of stopped on the front 5-0. I should probably redo it. Kickflip front nose grind. Pop out, and I also don't like that grab. Okay, I'm getting out of there. Let's get this actually better. Oh, just a little turn there. Okay, a little sketchy, but I'll take it. No, not the rail again. It's just like real skateboarding, actually. Get it once, and then it's hard to do it again. Kickflip, 5-0. Why you? I need to get off the ledge without doing a frontside flip. Imagine you're skating, you're like, oh no, I accidentally did a 5-0 frontside flip. Never would happen. Okay? Dang, that was clean. Pop out! Raw! Okay, that was good. It's proper. Kickflip, nose grind. That was it! Freaking nailed it. Okay, we push. Kickflip front 5-0, kickflip out. Clean, nice. A little push. Kickflip frontside nose grind. Pop out. Perfect. We got it. Okay, we got it. We nailed that. Okay, we landed that one. I'm gonna find another clip to do and see if I can do it. I wish I had the raw footage. It would be so much better if like I could have the raw footage playing there and then I'm trying to beat myself on the video game in real life. Maybe there's some clips I can find. I'll have to continue looking for later. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do a manual. It's a manual with 3 kickflips in the middle of a manual. Dang it. I like when you're manual, it does go to the side so you can like see if you're manually. Rebate. Okay, manual. Ready? Kickflip back into manual. Why are you doing that? That was another trick that I was like, I don't think I could do that. I did a manual, lip slide, back to manual, tray flip out. I don't think I can do that in Skate 3. Okay, that was 1. And I didn't land back into manual, failed it. Okay, this might be incredibly hard. This might not be like a first Aaron video trick. Might need to get some practice in, a couple of videos in before I try this. Okay, this is actually extremely frustrating and extremely hard. Dang it. Why is it so easy to land in manual once and then hard to land back into it again? Okay, Zexy Zek, save me. Please help me with this. Why aren't you manualing the second time? Okay, Skate 3 is harder than actual skateboarding. I could have landed this on a real skateboard before this. I don't know what that was, but I'll take it. Okay, kickflip to manual. Oh, I did it. Okay. Okay. One more. Dang it. You ever want to just throw the controller and break it? Yeah, me too. Just so you guys know, in real life, this spot does not look this clean. And that's a very real possibility though, that happening right there. This trick was hard because I really had to like thread the needle. The timing of it was really difficult for me to do. So I had to make sure that my kickflips were like somewhat evenly spaced out. Are you guys used to this Skate 3 where you just go back and forth for 9 hours? Hope so. It's like Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. I need to get the repetition, the practice steps in. You know what I never did in real life? That. Kickflip over that. I've never done that. Why, Aaron, aren't you landing back in manual? This is really similar to real life, guys. Sometimes in real life, the manual tricks are just so frustrating. Oh, I'm gonna die here. Let's see if we can jump into the ocean. This is what you deserve. You can. I had no idea. Okay, breathe. Go into sport mode. Dang it, if you go off the edge right there one more time, I swear to you, I'm gonna rage quit. Great. Skate 3 is way harder than skateboarding in real life. It's official, and way more dangerous too. Okay, I think I figured it out. Is Pier 7 in this game? Leave it in the comments below if Pier 7 is in this game. Okay, well now I'm impressed that I was able to do that kickflip 5-0 kickflip outline. And I thought, wow, that came really fast, so I should try something harder. And now here we are, I'm just dying on this manual trick, which is the same as it is in real life. Okay, at this point, if I literally land a manual kickflip manual, I'm taking it. Manual, clean, wait for it, kickflip. Couldn't tell if I touched there, but I'm gonna ride this thing out to the bitter end. Ooh, let's go. Somebody, please leave it in the comments below and tell me how to change the camera angle. Manual, wait for it, it's looking good, looking good. Kickflip. I think I touched. I think my front wheels touched. Oh wait, what was that? Free camera. Oh wait, that was not what I expected. I just manualed off. Let's see if I touched. This will tell the tale. Kickflip. I don't know, looks pretty good there. Okay, I'm just gonna let it play. We're just gonna watch the beauty that is this trick. Manual, now, kickflip, manual, you got it. Pop out. Hey, that balance is pretty good though. Okay, I'm pretty stoked on that. This video is very fun to make. If you guys love Skate 3 or you want to see me make some more Skate 3 real life versus Skate 3 videos, please leave it in the comments below. And I'm dying to know, what did you think of my gameplay? Are you guys good at this game? Do you love Skate 3 or what? Because I actually love it. I actually just love it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.